Did you notice the sentiment score for artificial intelligence sitting at plus 0.46? That's a notable shift above the historical baseline, suggesting a growing optimism, despite a momentum drop of minus 1.30 over the last 24 hours. This juxtaposition indicates a potential pivot point in sentiment, with 19 semantic clusters reflecting diverse perspectives. When you query our API, you receive a comprehensive breakdown of sentiment trends, key emotional indicators, and related themes. This data can be invaluable for crafting targeted marketing strategies or enhancing customer engagement in your AI projects. For example, if you're building an AI-driven application, you can leverage this sentiment data to adjust your messaging, ensuring it resonates with the current positive outlook while navigating the recent momentum decline. Dive deeper into our API at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's build something insightful together.